got a chain and superpowers to boot. Lashing like a cowboy with a dying head blue. Studying psych at the local GC.
Hello. Can you see me? I can show you I'm here.
Where are you? You're hiding really well.
I can assure you I'm here. I promise.
Where the devil are you?
I can assure you I am over here. And when I get hold of you, I'm going to break your guts.
Perhaps we could go for a walk instead.
A walk? How do you know I even have legs?
Because it's traditional human design.
Oh, I'm far from traditional. I'm in the bushes. Lurking here for none to see.
Would you like to help me choose a new wallpaper?
The only thing I will decorate my walls with is your blood.
I'm going then, bye.
Maybe you didn't hear what I said. Maybe you didn't hear what I said.